Sunday marked the first NFL game in Los Angeles in nearly 22 years, and the LA Coliseum had a royal guest. The NBA's king LeBron James attended the Los Angeles Rams home opener as the guest of Rams owner Stan Kroenke, but he did not receive the cheers one would expect for a superstar. As the NBA Finals MVP walked through the tunnel and onto the sideline, the Rams crowd greeted LeBron with chants of Kobe. Although Kobe Bryant retired from the NBA, LA Lakers fans clearly still worship the Hall of Fame-bound guard and prefer him over his rival LeBron.